Kalea. It's here.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Oh, you don't even have shoes on. What's up, fam? Today is November 1st and we wanted to document this. I won Kalea something from a giveaway, and the giveaway was from Mommy Tips by Cole. If you guys have been with us for a while, Kalea has had this before on her eye. She unfortunately got another chalazion on her left lower lid. Last year she had it on her upper right lid. Now she has it on her lower left lid. She's had it for a few weeks now. We're treating it accordingly with her doctor and trying other like homeopathic ways as well. Hasn't gone away. I don't know. We're just praying that it'll go away on its own, because yeah, it doesn't hurt her, right? It's just
It looks like my eye is getting evil.
oh, Kalea. It's just she just doesn't like to see it when she's like looking in the mirror and stuff, but okay, Kalea, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead.
I'm so excited. Oh my god, no way.
We won her, Kalea Rose. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Where did you want her at?
Mommy Tips by Cole's website. Colby's mom, Auntie Nicole.
Thank you, Mommy Tips by Cole. We could actually open it?
Yeah. Of course. Okay, ready to open it? Doing a live unboxing, I guess, huh, Kalea? So this is part of the Welly Wishers collection. I think there's like 5 of them. Yeah, 5 of them.
You have to open it too.
Okay, go ahead, Mama. Do you love her? Yeah.
So much.
So much. You guys, Gerald is off and I'm off. Well, I have school tomorrow, but it's gonna be a later time. So we decided to come out. We're here at the Black Sheep. I like the ambiance in here. It kind of reminds me of like that black and white filter, or what do you call it? Like chromo tone? I don't know. Not sepia. Sepia is more brownish. We got some oysters, but we missed happy hour. Look at this. This is a lemongrass gelée. Now we have this Vietnamese fried rolls. Gerald says it's really good. I want to do like a live tasting of it. Oh, what's this one?
These are beef crisps.
Beef crisps.
So fried beef tendon, tahini, and a garlic lime sauce.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna try this Vietnamese roll.
No, spicy. That's spicy.
That's good though. I can taste fish.
I can't even say describe what it tastes like.
Oh, good. These are beef crisps. They're made from beef tendons. Everything that we've had so far was so good. Do you agree?
Even the Coke.
Even the Coke? My wine is good. My most favorite part of the meal is gonna come out. Are you as excited as I am? You are? For dessert?
Oh no, you're pretty excited.
What'd you say?
I'm excited about my dessert.
You so nasty.
This is a Tahitian vanilla cream.
Tahitian vanilla cream. Ooh, that looks amazing. Thank you. What's up, fam? We are here in Buena Park. We're going to Knott's Berry Farm for the very first time.
What's up, fam?
Wait. It is also Veterans Day, so happy Veterans Day to all of the veterans out there, and shout out to my husband, Gerald. We decided to come because we have free veterans tickets, discounted for the kids as well. And yeah, it's midterm weekend, but I brought my notes. Been studying on the way here. I've studied and prepared all last week, so Hopefully it works out. Oh, you guys are locked up. Don't let me out. You're locked up. Out of all the times we've been in Anaheim with our Disneyland passes, we've never been here. And at Disneyland, we're not allowed to bring wagons, but here we are, so... Oh my gosh, that's... Why, Isaiah? Because we're not at Disneyland? So biased. The kids are going to pan for gold.
What you're doing is allowing the water to lift the sand, you're pulling the pan from the lifted sand. Your goal is 8 to 10 minutes.
There you go, those nice big movements.
It's hard, huh? Imagine this being your real job.
Yeah.
Is that fun, Kalea Rose?
Yes.
Yeah? Daddy's doing the work? How about you, big guy? Huh?
Okay, stop right there, I can help you.
There's not enough water.
Let's see what Isaiah found.
Just like that, alright?
Okay, young man, don't tighten his cap, take it out, drop it on the ground, and there is his goal.
Cool. Okay, we're about to get on this train ride. This is our first ride of the day. Say hi, Clay. Hi. Why are you scared? Don't be scared. Yeah.
What a beautiful sight, I tell you. It ain't often.
What is this? I know. Carson! Hey fam, I totally forgot to continue to vlog all day. I've just been like snapping and posting Instagram stories, but it's getting pretty late now and we've only rode on 4 rides. We waited a whole hour for mac and cheese, but yeah, the kids enjoy it here. It's just really packed from what I imagined, but then again, it is Veterans Day. All the veterans get free tickets, so I can see why it's packed. Oh yes! Woohoo! Burp and yellow, burp and yellow, burp and yellow. It's okay. Get wrecked.
Alright, who's gonna be the winner? First one to a
Kalea, get down. Kalea, get down. No. Good try, baby.
We'd like to play again. Otherwise, you go to the rest of your night. You want that? All right. Alright, so which one do you want, bud? We got it. You want to play? Alright, I can get you one. Alright, let's see where they at. Alright. Here you go, man. God bless you guys.
Clear? What does the clear one get? Nothing. Oh, Carson won this for Kalea. Thank you, Carson.
20 seconds left. 3 points up. Yeah, we need 2 more points for that. Basketball advantage. Keep going, keep going. 5 points. Can we make it 7?
We found this gem and geo shop, and you get to pick one of these geos. That's what he called it. And they have prices on them. So I told Carson he can pick one under $20 because I know how much he loves this stuff. Carson likes picking out crystals with me, so I knew that this is something that he would like. I told him to pick the one that's calling him in his heart. Which one, Carson? You gotta take them.
11 or 16.
It's up to you, Sonny. Okay, Carson. Carson's choices in there. There's Carson's.
Oh, you want to get
Wow, cool. I am so excited. We were outside the whole time. I did not know that they had crystals in here. Oh my gosh.
Remembering crystal.
What?
Which one is the remembering crystal?
Oh, I don't know, son. We have to like look it up. Oh, look at the amethyst. I want an amethyst. Look how beautiful all these crystals are. Oh my gosh.